Well, here's my poor little work truck, my 2012 Prius C. And as you can see, I have the ladder rack removed off of it. These are the attachment points for the rack that goes on top. And it's in bad need of a new fender, a new hood, a new bumper cover. This fender was okay, other than it was rubbing right here and it rubbed through the paint a little bit. But other than that, it's a well-used vehicle hitting 160,000 miles. Little damage here, so they'll be replacing this little bracket here. I don't think they have to pull because it was not that bad of a hit. The hit was up high. Headlight assembly was smashed, which smashed into the fender and pushed the fender backwards. So this would be replaced all the way up to here. And that's about it. And you can see where it's buckled down, or the sheet metal is buckled right there. That is pushed down a little bit. So they'll drill out the spot welds, put a new one back up there. I'll have to come out here and recover the refrigerant out of my system so they could work on it. And that's about it. And hopefully when I come back from Max convention, hopefully it'll be ready, because I'm leaving on February the 2nd, 1st. Oh hell. 2nd or 1st, I'm leaving to go, 1st I think, to go to the MACS training and expo for air conditioning, mobile air conditioning. And I hope I come back to a working vehicle. All right guys, I'll see you. I still need to get another 150,000 miles. All my cars go 300,000 to 400,000 plus miles on them with the same engine, same transmission. Vehicles last nearly 100,000 miles. Just change your fluids more often than the manufacturer says. That's it. Oh, and use good fluids. See you.